How to recover your Facebook account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Facebook account. So let's get started. If you wish to recover your Facebook account, you can't do it directly through the Facebook application. You can do it through the application, but that process is quite complicated. So I always suggest you to do it through your Chrome or Safari or any of the search engine you have on your device. So for example, you can use Google, Safari. I'm gonna head over to Google. So once you're in Google, you're going to click on your profile here at the top right. And once you do so, you're going to click on turn on incognito because it will remove all of the history and it is very safer. So what you're going to do is here, you're going to search for Facebook support. So you can just search for Facebook support and press search. So once you do so, you will be able to see a couple of options in front of you. So you're going to click on Help Center. Now, once you click on Help Center, you will be redirected to the Facebook Support Help Center, and here will be a couple of options that you can choose from. Now, if you're encountering the issue of, password reset or any other option that you want to recover your Facebook account, so you're going to click on Login and Password. So once you click on login and password, you'll be able to see a couple of options and the common issues displayed in front of you. So there are common issues that people do encounter when they are trying to log into their Facebook account. One is recover your account if you can't log in, recover your account if you can't log in and can't access the email address or phone number on your account. Or you can also recover a hacked account, troubleshoot changing your password, troubleshoot logging in. So you can either log into your account, change your password, fix the login problem, and upload your ID for verification purpose. So here you can see that there are some popular articles such as change Facebook password. You can just have a look over there. So in our case, if you wish to recover your account, if you can't log in, you can simply click on it. And once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface that will look something like this. Now, there are solutions displayed in front of you that if you can't access the email or mobile number that you use to log in. So what you can do is simply click on reset your password. And there is another option that if you no longer have access to your account email or mobile phone number, so if you can't access the email address or phone number on your account, you can click on this link over here. And if you think your account was hacked, then you can click on this link. So for example, I'm going to click on this one, that is reset your password, because most of the times people who wish to recover their Facebook account is because they might forget their password. So the simple way is just by resetting your password or by clicking on forgotten password. And after this, the most simple way is by emailing Facebook support. So you can head over to your mail and email Facebook support. You can give them your email, you can give them your password, or if you don't remember password, you can give them any of the old password that you kept in the past. So they're going to check that password in the database and check whether the password is correct. And you can also give your ID card number and also the device from which you have recently logged in the past. So after that, Facebook will, do a verification check and will able to give you the, login credentials of your Facebook account. And that is how you'll be able to recover your Facebook account. So that was basically how you can recover your Facebook account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.